People don't think you can be bougie and thrifty at the same time. But like to be bougie, like you have to be thrifty. Like I buy a lot of shit, but best believe I'm getting the best price for that. Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back with a new video. Now this week we're actually switching it up and we're going to take a step back from the kicks and we're going to focus on fashion because like I said, I was going to add some changes into this channel and I'm a big fashion person. I like to be dripped like head to toe. Kicks is important for me, but I like the whole thing in it. So we're going to start hopefully putting more of that on the channel. And to start off, we're going to start off with something that I've been trying to get my hands on for a really long time. Now, these are these hats with horns. I don't know if you've seen them. If you haven't seen them, you probably think, what are you on about? But they were costing a pretty penny. I can't remember which brand actually brought them out to begin with, but if you go on places like Grailed, they're going for well over $100, $160, $180. Like, it is a madness just for basically a new era hat with horns on. And bun paying that much money. I done looked in England for cheaper alternatives. I can't find them, or you can just find these trash quality ones off of Amazon with the snapbacks, and you just know it ain't gonna be fly. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna put together a fresh fly alternative for a fraction of the price. Let's go. So if you're thinking, Rashay, how are we gonna do this? I'm gonna let you know. So on this table right now, I have a red New York fitted hat. This is an old cap, but it's still in good condition because I don't really wear it. So I thought, fuck it, we'll fuck this one up. And it's red, which is a vibe. Obviously, you can do them in any color, but you know, Devil OG is gonna be red. You can tell it's worn because I got my makeup on the inside. It is an old hat, but yo, this probably would have cost me no more than £25 at New Era back in the day. So yo, we're already quids in here. Obviously I got a pair of scissors because we're gonna be doing some cutting. And last but not least, yeah, last but not least, bro, we got this wig. And I know what you're thinking, what the hell? But look, it's a Halloween wig that's got some horns on it, right? And this wasn't my this wasn't my first plan. Because side note, I'm gonna put on for you people who don't just readily have a devil wig at home. What you can do with these horns, and what I was finna do was you want to get two pieces of fabric, basically draw the outline of your horn, get a piece of fabric, cut around it. Then if you're techie on the sewing, you can either sew it up and turn it inside out, or you can just hot glue gun it and, you know, kind of like fill this up with some stuffing or whatever, and you're gonna have a horn. It is pretty simple and easy, basically. That's how you make them. But I want to go do that, and then I was having a conversation with Mumsy one day, and she was like, "Hold on a minute, I got a wig with some horns on." I'm not asking what Mumsy does in her free time because I don't want to know. I don't want to know. All I know is I got some horns. Right. So first things first, we finna cut these horns off. Right. That's one. Okay. So we now have two little horns, and like I said, if you were doing this by yourself, as you can see, you just got that seam where these parts like are together, and then you have got the stuffing inside. So if you do want to go ahead and do this and you don't have a wig, like it's gonna finna be super easy. So now we just kind of got to think about placement. I'm thinking, oh, this is a bit mad, you know. I'm thinking you kind of want to go on, you know, your middle panel, not too far back, kind of like central. Do you know what I mean? Like that. Does it look good? You tell me if I look stupid in it. Is it finna look good? Alright, so I guess the last and final step is to actually go ahead and glue these little guys on. I have gone ahead and bulked out the hat with some paper inside, just as if like your head was sitting in it. So then I've got this fabric glue here. I'm just gonna like dab a little bit of glue on the bottoms here, and then just kind of stick them over this middle panel here and get this little geezer on there. I'm actually scared. This is I don't trust myself. I never trust myself to do anything if I'm honest with you. Like I should always have like a guardian nearby. Unfortunately, as an adult, I am my own guardian and I cannot be trusted. So let's go. I've heard this isn't my glue. I have to borrow this glue. I heard this glue is very sticky and they've been warning me about where to like put it down afterwards. So I'm kind of scared because don't trust me like that. I don't trust me like that. Why am I scared? Little splodge like it's toothpaste, bro. Ah, it's so sticky. Nobody make jokes. How do I get this off? Oh my god. Right, that was mad sticky. It's a bit close to the edge. I'm a bit worried. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. It's on. It's on. It's on. I don't know how long I gotta hold this on for, but it's on. It's still. It's just. It's not gluing. Panic. What if I gotta stay here like a flipping hour? But vibe, you know. Is it quick? Is it quick drying? Please, someone tell me it's quick drying. Not suitable for very fine fabrics. But everything I have is fine as hell. Why is it not gluing, brother? He's on there, but he ain't really on there. Do you know what I mean? You know when your boy says he's on it, but you know he ain't gonna turn up? It's one of them ones. Okay, I might just say fuck it and try the next horn. He's coming straight off, brother! Moments, please. We're gonna fix this. Right, I think he just needs to go ahead and relax. So I'm gonna stick the other one on and hopefully he dries, because I ain't staying here for 2 years holding that joint down. God, this glue is a madness. It looks like golden syrup or something. Smashed it. Oh, I forgot I was meant to like swill it around the whole thing. Oh, oops. I just did it in the middle, and then I was meant, oh, that's what they told me when they gave me the glue. Why don't I listen? I was meant to like dab it in the middle, so they said don't go everywhere because it will like squidge out and all the glue will get everywhere, but just dab it in the middle and then spread it out. I forgot to spread it out. Everything was going so well for me. Right, so while I'm in hat prison holding these joints on, I'm just gonna sit here. So I'll catch you in a few.
5 minutes later.
This is my life now. I can't move. Just gotta sit here and think of all the terrible decisions I've ever made. It's gonna be a long time. Look what we've done to the world. Look what we've done. Do I look cute? You can tell me if I look cute in it. Would you take me on a date? Basically, that's what I'm saying. Would you take me out on a date? So here we have it. This is the final product. I feel like maybe the horns were a little bit bigger than like on some of the other hats, purely just because obviously like I just like cut them off a wig and put them on here. But if you were drawing yours out by yourself, obviously you could get the exact size that you wanted, and I could still move around with these if I wanted to, even though they're glued on, and I put in some stitches just to make sure that it was like proper standing up where it needs to stand up at. It would be very easy to unpick this and take this off, cut it, trim it, or just take it off the hat completely, so at least you do have options. But I'm not mad at it, if I'm honest. I'm not mad at it. Like, I feel like we have successfully made a horn hat for a fraction of the cost. Okay guys, so thanks for stopping by and watching, you know, the arts and craft channel that we have now become. We're broadening the horizons out here, innit? That's what it is. So yeah, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe, because how are you going to stay fly? How are you going to be horny if you don't subscribe? I don't know, bro. I don't know. So yeah, until the next one. Peace, love, and I'm out. Everyone come over to Instagram. I feel like it's also low-key giving off Viking vibes. So maybe if you're into Vikings, you could claim this one too. I don't know. I feel like an evil bad bitch. I'm so here for it.